Hey guys, Trent here with 4x4 Works. It is Tuesday, the sun is shining, I'm feeling good, and my good buddy Russ brings me by a JL Wrangler from the Dodge City of McKinney. Now he pulled this out, he said he was going to take it for a quick test drive, and us being good friends, he wanted to bring it by and give me a quick gander at it and let me do this quick short video. Again, this is coming from Dodge City of McKinney. We're working really closely with them on a lot of really good stuff, so he wanted to bring it by and let me get a good gander at it. Of course, we're not going to do anything to this one, but I did want to give you guys just a sneak peek on the inside. Take a look at that. I actually am going to get in the back seat so that y'all can see the front. Look at this. First time sitting in the JL Wrangler, and it looks amazing. Look at all that. Look at that screen, factory screen. Very good looking stuff. I think we're going to take it for a test drive. Let's see how it goes. All right.
It's going to be a little thing that we're going to have to work on.
Okay.
Well, it's push button start. But
push button starter. There it goes.
go ahead and start it. I'm going to show you something first. Open your door. Leave your door open.
Okay, we got the door open.
Take your foot off.
Stick it in the drive. Oh, it won't let you move. Okay, so we saw a video of this earlier about how it wouldn't let you move if there was an object in the way. And we've got the door open. It's in drive, and we are not able to move. All right, guys, y'all have to give me your opinion on this particular feature of the new JL. I know we got some diehards. Okay, let's see what happens. We're gonna close the door, take our foot off the brake. All right, so what do we gotta do? Oh, you gotta put it back into park and then shift in the drive. All right, now we're in drive and we're gonna go. Okay, we are going down the road. Brand new 2018 JL. This has got the 3.6 liter, but now we've got upgraded to a 8-speed transmission, and I was actually very interested to see what the responses is gonna be like in this vehicle, and I'll have to say I'm very, very pleased with the way that she drives. Of course, it's not lifted, but the acceleration is awesome. And we have the auto start turned off. We're coming to a stoplight. We're gonna see how it works. So it is, all right, so it is now shut off. Auto start is off. We have turned the auto start on off feature off. We're just gonna sit at a stoplight. All right. I'm gonna take my foot, as soon as you take your foot off the gas pedal or off the brake pedal, it starts right up. So that's cool, and there is this option here that we can turn it off right there. Yes, so there is an option to turn it off, so that is amazing. Okay, good video. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and we'll do one more walk around once we park it up. Okay, we're doing a little highway driving, and I'll say that the transition between gears in this vehicle is so smooth. I'm almost shocked at how different it is from jumping from the JKU to the JL. It's almost like going from driving a Jeep to driving a car. That may or may not be a good thing. Some of the more die-hard Jeep drivers may have a different opinion on that, but I happen to think that it's a pleasant surprise, and I just can't wait to see what it's going to be like driving one that's lifted. We just pulled up back in from the test drive of the JL. Want to do one more quick pan around it. This one is a sport. Again, I want to say thank you so much, Russell Harden, for bringing it on to us from the lot at Dodge City of McKinney. She's looking very, very good. Thank you so much for watching. It's Trent at 4x4works.com. Just did a quick test drive of the brand new 2018 JL Wrangler. Thank you so much to Russ and the folks at Dodge City for letting us take this guy for a test drive. If you've got a JL, Jeep, anything like that, anything cool, and you want to make it cooler, give me a shout. Trent, 4x4works, 4x4works.com in McKinney, Texas, 469-424-0028. Check out all my other YouTube videos. Like me on Instagram. Click the like button. Tell YouTube that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.